Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the right access. Proceed now. Open Google Classroom, pick the class, and click People. Do it immediately so you don't lose context. Find the student row and verify the account status. If the user is in another domain, role changes may be blocked. Once done, click the three-dot menu next to their name. This reveals promotion options. Make sure to pause and confirm you selected the correct person, because role changes affect class editing and permissions instantly. Choose the menu action to promote them. You'll either invite them as a teacher or change their role directly if you're the domain admin. When you invite, tell the user to accept promptly. Invitations can expire. If ownership transfer is needed, follow prompts to move it. This gives them full class control. Once they accept or the role flips, open class settings and people to confirm they can create assignments, grade, and modify course material. This prevents surprise permission gaps. Finish by having the new teacher perform a quick action, post an announcement or edit an assignment so you verify permissions live. If they cannot, pause and check common issues, pending invite not accepted, domain restrictions, or insufficient admin privileges. Once done, consult Google Admin to change roles for managed accounts that will override classroom-level blocks. One key troubleshooting tip: if things fail, revoke the invite, wait a minute, then re-invite. Often the refresh clears sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.